Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the pistol in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this pistol is actually very tricky to draw. So let's take it step by step. And to begin, we can draw in almost the length of the gun first. Just gonna draw one line across. And then I'm going to slant down slightly, and then right in the midpoint of this this line that we drawn, just kind of take the midpoint, just come back in, and then just draw in that shape first. So it's a little bit odd way to begin, but it's kind of a way of dividing up the gun. And then from here we'll add in a little bit of detail, just come up, and then just kind of draw a line all the way across. Okay, and then from here, now let's draw in the trigger. So take this space here, half of that, you can make a little mark. Then we're gonna continue with this line. So from here, we're gonna turn in, let's draw one curve. And then on this side here, another curve. And then we're just gonna close that off. So the trigger is gonna be in here. And then we'll add in a little bit of a border here, come down, and then we're just gonna go back all across. Okay, so it's a little bit strange. So after this, now let's work on the back here. So it's got this little curve here, just curve it up, and then we're gonna come back in. Okay, and then just kind of stop there, because now we have to draw in the handle, the grip. So right in here, just make a little line. And then now we can just kind of slant this down. Angle. And just close it off. Okay, so that's the little panel on the grip. So now we're just gonna go around it. So from here, just kind of come in. Now we're just gonna give it a border. So we're just gonna follow it. Come across. And then we can start up here. We're gonna curve this in into this little panel, follow it through, and then just kind of come back out as we come in toward the bottom, and just curve it back and close that off. So it's a very tricky shape. All right, and then from here, here's a little magazine. So just come down, let's draw like a little rectangle on the bottom. Okay, and then we can add in some detail here. It's got two screws here. So just draw two circles and just draw a line in there. There's gotta be another bolt here. One more here. And then here's a little switch, safety switch, I think. Just make a little bracket, come across, and then just kind of taper it up, close it off. Alright, so that's the bottom portion of the gun. So now let's draw in the top. So for this one, we're gonna come up, slant it up, and then we're just gonna go all the way across. We're gonna go past this original line that we've drawn. Okay, and then from here we're gonna come down, slight angle, and then we're gonna curve this one from here to there, just connect that. And then to finish off the front here, we're just gonna continue this line here, and then we're just gonna close this off. And then for some detail, one little line here. And then we can finish up. Alright, let's finish up this front here. Just a little muzzle. And then there's gonna be another little rectangle on the bottom. Okay, so for here, let's see. Let's draw in this detail here. Just draw in two lines. Angle it in. And then we're just gonna come straight across and just connect that. Okay, and then on the back here, this one's just kind of come out, two lines, and then just close it off with a round shape. And inside we'll add in a circle. And then here on the side on the back, just angle it. Just kind of come down. And then we're just gonna draw one line across and then one down. And then the side on the front. Okay, just give it a little bit angle, and then finally the details right here. So there's gonna be a bunch of lines, so I'm just gonna start drawing these lines, and I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker. So 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I'll just do 6. And that is it for this pistol in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.